Hi Uriats and welcome to your third assembly. Uriats, today the assembly is called Value Yourself. There once was a man who stood in front of a crowd with a $20 note and he said, "Who wants it? Put up your hand if you want it." And all of the crowd put up their hand. He crumpled the note and he said, "Who wants it?" Still the crowd put up their hand. He goes, "Well, what happens if I stand on it?" So he stood on the note with his dirty old boot. I said, "What about now? Do you still want the $20 note?" And the whole crowd put up their hand. He goes, "Even if I put it in this dirty water?" He put it in and put it in the dirty water. He then turned to the crowd. "Who wants it?" Still the crowd persisted to put up their hand. Now the man said, "No matter what I'd done to this note, no matter that I crumpled it up, that I stood on it, that I put it into dirty water, you all still wanted the note. The note still has the same value. It's still $20. And the moral of this is that no matter what happens to us as people, no matter if we feel our report, or feel a grade, or we go fishing and we fail to catch a fish, we have setbacks in our lives. We have setbacks in our home life. We have setbacks in our school life. And even your teachers and even myself have had setbacks and failures in life. And what we need to do, just like the $20 note, no matter what happens, we might be hurt, we might be sad, we might not feel like getting out of bed, but remember, you still have value. Just like the $20 note, as long as you keep going up and keep persevering and keep valuing yourself.